Welcome, car enthusiasts and soon-to-be SUV owners. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to choosing your first SUV. Buckle up as we explore the ins and outs of these versatile vehicles that blend style, space, and performance seamlessly. Let's hit the road. Section 1. Compact Cruisers, nimble and trendy. First up, we have the compact cruisers, perfect for navigating urban jungles with style. Meet the Honda CR-V, a true gem in this category. With its efficient fuel economy and spacious interior, it's a top choice for those who want a taste of both agility and comfort. Good features. First off, the Honda CR-V is all about that perfect blend of style and functionality. Its compact design makes parking a breeze, and the sleek lines give it a modern, trendy look. Plus, the spacious interior defies the compact exterior, offering a comfortable ride for both driver and passengers. Bad features. Now, let's be real. No car is perfect. One downside of the CR-V is its relatively compact cargo space. So, if you're planning a cross-country road trip with your entire wardrobe, you might need to get a bit creative with the packing. But hey, that's the price you pay for that city-friendly size. Customer reviews. What are people saying? Well, customers rave about the CR-V's reliability and fuel efficiency. Many applaud its smooth ride and user-friendly tech features. It seems like the CR-V has won the hearts of drivers who value practicality without sacrificing style. Market reports. Now, let's consult the market reports. The Honda CR-V has been a consistent performer in the compact SUV segment. With its strong sales figures and positive reviews, it's clear that it's not just a trendy choice but also a smart one. Section 2. Mid-size marvels. Balancing act. Moving on to mid-size marvels, where balance is the name of the game. Picture yourself in the Toyota Highlander, a reliable and family-friendly option. With ample cargo space and advanced safety features, it's no wonder the Highlander stands tall among its peers. Good features. First things first, the Toyota Highlander is a real head-turner. Its sleek design not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also hints at the spacious interior within. Speaking of space, the Highlander is renowned for its roomy cabin, making it an excellent choice for families or anyone who appreciates a bit of breathing room. Bad features. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Parking in tight spots might be a tad challenging. The Highlander, while not the most compact SUV out there, compensates for its size with an abundance of interior space. It's a trade-off that you'll need to weigh based on your personal preferences and parking situations. Customer reviews. What are people saying about the Highlander? Well, customers love the smooth ride and commend Toyota's reliability. Many appreciate the safety features, especially for families. It seems like the Highlander has built quite a fan base among those who crave that perfect balance of comfort and performance. Market reports. Now, let's check out the market reports. The Toyota Highlander has been a consistent performer, and it's not hard to see why. Its reliability, safety features, and spacious interior have made it a go-to choice for those seeking that perfect mid-size SUV balance. Section 3. Powerful performers. Conquer any terrain. Now, if you're craving some adventure, dive into the powerful performers. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is a true off-road champion. Equipped with robust four-wheel drive capabilities, it's ready to tackle any terrain. Your gateway to the great outdoors awaits. Good features. First and foremost, the Jeep Grand Cherokee is a beast when it comes to off-road capability. With its robust four-wheel drive system and impressive ground clearance, it's not afraid to get down and dirty. The rugged exterior isn't just for show, it's a symbol of the Grand Cherokee's true grit. Bad features. Now, let's address the not-so-great side of things. Maneuvering in tight city spaces might feel a bit like taming a wild stallion. The Grand Cherokee is designed for the great outdoors, so if you're more of an urban explorer, this might be a consideration. But hey, who needs city streets when you have trails to conquer? Customer reviews. What are the enthusiasts saying? Well, Jeep owners are a passionate bunch. They praise the Grand Cherokee for its rugged charm, off-road prowess, and a sense of freedom that comes with driving a true adventure machine. It's clear that the Grand Cherokee has a special place in the hearts of those who live for the thrill of the unknown. Market reports. Now, let's consult the market reports. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has been a force to be reckoned with in the SUV market. Its off-road capabilities and iconic design have kept it at the forefront of the powerful performers category. It's not just an SUV, it's a lifestyle. Section 4, Luxury Lanes, Elegance and Comfort. For those who prefer to cruise in the lap of luxury, welcome to the luxury lanes. The BMW X5 embodies elegance and comfort, seamlessly blending opulence with cutting-edge technology. Elevate your driving experience to a whole new level. Good features. First things first, the BMW X5 is the epitome of sophistication. Its sleek design, premium materials, and attention to detail create an atmosphere of pure luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted with a world of comfort. Plush seats, top-notch materials, and cutting-edge technology. It's not just an SUV, it's a mobile sanctuary. Bad features. Now, let's talk about the less glamorous side. Fuel efficiency might not be the X5's strong suit. Luxury comes at a cost, and in this case, it might be a bit more frequent visits to the gas station. But hey, when you're wrapped in luxury, who's counting miles per gallon, right? Customer reviews. What do the fortunate owners say? Well, the BMW X5 has garnered praise for its smooth ride, opulent interior, and advanced tech features. It seems like the X5 has successfully blended performance with posh, winning the hearts of those who crave the finer things in life. Market reports. Now, onto the market reports. The BMW X5 has been a consistent performer in the luxury SUV segment. Its combination of style, performance, and luxury has kept it in high demand among those who seek the pinnacle of automotive elegance. Section 5. Green Machines, Eco-Friendly SUVs. And let's not forget the environmentally conscious among us. Enter the Green Machines. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid takes the spotlight, offering a perfect blend of fuel efficiency and eco-friendliness. Go green without compromising on style and performance. Good features. First and foremost, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid wears its green heart on its sleeve. With a hybrid powertrain, it's designed to reduce your carbon footprint while delivering a smooth and efficient ride. The RAV4 Hybrid proves that you can be environmentally responsible without compromising on style or performance. Bad features. Now, let's address a potential hiccup. If you're planning a long road trip, finding charging stations might require a bit more planning compared to traditional gas stations. However, with the growing infrastructure, it's becoming easier to find charging points. A small trade-off for a cleaner planet, wouldn't you say? Customer reviews. What do the eco-conscious drivers say? Well, RAV4 Hybrid owners praise its fuel efficiency, eco-friendly features, and spacious interior. It's a hit among those who want to make a positive impact on the environment without sacrificing the versatility of an SUV. Market reports. Now, let's consult the market reports. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid has been gaining momentum in the eco-friendly SUV segment. As more drivers prioritize sustainability, the RAV4 Hybrid has become a sought-after choice, reflecting a shift towards greener alternatives. Section 6. Tech Titans, Infotainment and Connectivity. In today's world, staying connected is key. That brings us to the Tech Titans. Check out the Tesla Model Y, a tech marvel on wheels. With its futuristic features, autopilot capabilities, and over-the-air updates, it's not just an SUV, it's a rolling tech hub. Good features. First and foremost, the Tesla Model Y is a tech lover's dream come true. The massive touchscreen display, autopilot capabilities, and over-the-air updates make it a true tech titan. The infotainment system is like having a high-tech command center at your fingertips, and let's not forget the allure of zero emissions with its electric powertrain. Bad features. Now, let's talk about the potential downside. The Model Y's tech-heavy nature might be a bit overwhelming for those who prefer a more traditional driving experience. And of course, you might find yourself in a bit of a tech troubleshooting session if you're not tech-savvy. But hey, embracing the future comes with its own learning curve. Customer reviews. What do the tech enthusiasts say? Well, Tesla owners rave about the Model Y's autopilot, instant acceleration, and the thrill of being at the forefront of automotive technology. It's clear that the Model Y has captured the hearts of those who crave cutting-edge features and connectivity. Market reports. Now, on to the market reports. The Tesla Model Y has been a disruptor in the tech-centric SUV market. With its futuristic features and constant software updates, it has become a symbol of the tech revolution in the automotive industry, reflecting a growing demand for connected vehicles. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to choosing your first SUV. Whether you're a city slicker, an adventure seeker, or a luxury lover, the SUV world has something for everyone. Now hit the road and find the perfect SUV that suits your style and needs. Happy driving.